Systemi landing page tutorial. How to create a landing page with Systemi.io. Hi guys, welcome back to another video, and in today's video I'm going to be telling you how you can create your very own landing page using Systemi. So having said that, let's just jump into the video. So as you can see, I'm on the website Systemi.io, and here all you got to do is just simply click on get started to get started. You can easily create an account for free. You can see right here, for free, no credit card required. You can upgrade it later on, but for now we are good to go. Now I already have an account, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to log in and show you how you can create yourself a landing page. Alright, so now that I'm logged in, we are good to go. So this is the dashboard. You can see nothing really is happening over here since I don't have any data to work with. But yeah, here at the top, you're going to see you have your sites. Here you have blogs, sales funnels, and digital stores. Right here, you can create your landing page. So we're going to click on sites and go into sales funnel. And here you can create your sales funnel. You can see I have two of them over here. Then you have your blogs. Here you have your blog. Currently it's empty. You can create one over there. And then you have your digital stores. Here you can create your digital stores. Currently that is empty as well. So since we want to create a landing page, we're going to come over here into sales funnels. You can see right here I have two of them. Let me just show you real quick. If I open up the ClickBank, you can see right here we have sales page, order page, and thank you page as well. These are the three pages that we have created, and people can go into this link over here. This is the URL. They can go into this URL, and that's where they can go ahead and view the funnel. So if I click on view funnel, this is how it looks like. So this is like a simple website where you can go ahead and buy and purchase the plan, right? Or purchase the product. So let's go ahead and create one. So we're going to go back into funnels, right? And we have two of them. I'll actually delete them and I can show you how you can go ahead and create a new one. So we're going to click on confirm. Now we're going to click on create, and here you can give it whatever name you want. Here I'll go with giveaway, free giveaway, whatever you want to call it. And then we'll just simply gonna select the currency, and then you can go ahead and select one of these options. So let's say we want not custom, you got to select the build in audience. Since that what we are doing, creating a landing page, we want to get audiences. If you're selling a page, we can go with that one, but yeah, it depends on you. I'm gonna select that one, not custom, and also there we go. Next we're gonna click on open it up, and now we have a simpler option. So now we have the squeeze page. All right, this is the page. This is where we basically squeeze the buyer from the looker. Now here you've got everything, right? These are your main pages. You can go ahead and select one of the templates that works best for you. You can see we have some pages right here, and we've got all these different options. So go with whichever one you want. This one also looks pretty cool. Let's go with 30 and see if we get more templates. So this one also looks pretty cool. Since we are trying to give a giveaway, we could go with something like this simpler version. But yeah, select whichever option you want, whichever template you like, and we are good to go. So let's actually open up this one. Let's go with preview template. Let's go ahead and view it, how it looks like. Pretty cool, but not to my liking. Let's go with this one. Let's see what this looks like. Also at the top, you will see you have configurations. I thought there might be an option to go ahead and filter out some of these, but I suppose there isn't. But yeah, this is how this one looks like. Looks pretty simple, looks really cool. We'll go with this one. Let's go with this one as well. Yeah, I think this is okay. We're gonna go with this one, and we're gonna select it. Boom. Okay, I found another one. This one actually is much better. It'll fit into our theme as well, since we are trying to give a giveaway. Yeah, I think this is much better. So yeah, I'm gonna go with this one, and I'm gonna select the template. Now we're perfect. Now we're golden. Next, instead of the squeeze page, I'm gonna call it the giveaway or free giveaway, and then click on edit page to go ahead and edit the page and change some of the elements, some of the wordings, so that we can make it our own. This is not the one that I selected. This is weird. Let me go back. That is not the one that we selected. No. All right, I think now we're good. Yeah, now we're good. So now we're gonna go ahead and edit it. So here you can of course change the video up, add your video over here for your product, and down below you can see all of your main button. Yes, I want the free ebook. You can click over here, and then it'll take us to the next part of the website, and I'll show you how you can set everything up. But of course you can go ahead and change up some of these elements. So now let's go ahead and edit some of these stuff up. So instead of this one, new free book or 30 secrets to maximize your digital revenue, and here instead of this button saying yes I want the free ebook, I'll go ahead and change up the free ebook to free giveaway. All right, so here I'll go with free giveaway. I'll get rid of this one, and then instead of this button saying yes I want the free, click over that, scroll down, yes I want the free giveaway. There we go. And then down below, unlock the secrets to maximize your digital revenue. I'll just go with revenue. You know, just editing things out. I'm just showing you how you can edit stuff out. Don't really need to change anything. For the background as well, you can just simply click anywhere, right? And this little button will pop up. Click on it, and here you can select the background image over here and upload it. But yeah, for now I think this is good. And here is the video. Don't miss out. Discord secrets. Here you can go ahead and change up the video or delete it, whatever you want to call it. Here you can highlight your product, add the image by just simply dragging the image or video option right here, and then uploading it by just simply, let's say, video right here. Click on it and just select the link. You can use a YouTube link as well. So there you go. It's as simple as that. Get rid of that real quick. Okay, this looks good now. Now, next, if you click on this button, right, a pop-up will come up on the top corner over here on the left-hand side. Click on pop-ups and then click on this little cogwheel. This pop-up will pop up whenever someone clicks on that button. Here you can change up this text, of course, to match whatever it is that you are looking for. And then down below, they can enter the email and then click on the send me now, and boom, you're good to go. Then you can edit that up as well. It's as simple as that. So finally, once you've made everything up, all you got to do is just simply hit the save change button. Next, just save it. All right. And then once it's saved, we are good to go. Then we can exit this page. And then we need to go ahead and add a thank you page. Thank you page, very similar. You can go ahead and select whichever thank you page you want. They're all very similar. So I believe one of them is already here. I think this is it. Yeah, we're just simply going to select this thank you page. Again, you can go into the edit page and edit it yourself. You already know how to do this. Once you've edited it, you're going to come over here onto the email section, and here you're going to select email campaigns. And here you're going to create a email campaign. You can name it whatever you want, and then you can select the email sender email. It looks like this listed as empty. You can add whatever option you want over here, or email. So make sure you add your own email address over here that you are using. So I'll just add whatever email I have. The description doesn't really matter, but yeah, just save it. And then you have sender email. All right, so to add the emails, you just simply click over here, click and add verify new email. It's going to take you over here. Scroll down below, verified email address, and just click over here to confirm your email address. Just input your email address over here. Click on save. Once it's saved, you are good to go. So here is the sender, the testing, and everything. So now that that's done, now it should appear over here. So I'm going to close this up, create a new one, and once you've verified it, it'll look something like this. Then you need to go ahead and, authenticate its domain. So make sure you add it over here. Click here to authenticate your domain and display its information. So add your domain over here that you have. This usually works with a business email as well. So once you've done that, you can set up a campaign over here, your email campaign, and then you can come back to the funnel section. Then you can go ahead and click on the automation rules and add a rule, and here you can select the trigger. Trigger would be the funnel subscribed. All right, whenever someone subscribes to that funnel, then action, then select the subscribe campaign, and here you can select the campaign that you have created and save rule, and that way you're basically done. Your funnel is working. Whenever someone subscribes, they'll be added to the email list, and then they will receive your email campaign. So there you go. That's how you do it. That's how you set up a landing page on Systemi.io. So thank you guys for watching, and I hope to see you guys in the next video. And until then, take care and goodbye.